Hey guys, I took this buy trade on VIX LEARN index and I used a different market approach on this trade. So I'll be sharing with you guys how I was able to take these buys, right? How I knew this index was going to buy from these points. So I actually worked with market structure on a lower time frame. I saw that this index has been on a downtrend for a very long time. This index has been selling for a very long time. So on a higher time frame, I was able to identify a zone which you can see here, this level of support basically. Right, so I was able to identify this level of support which price has been buying from, which you got the price here, support, support. So for price to react on this level previously, you could get possible reaction on this level as well as a support. So I identified this level and went to lower time frame to get my possible entries to catch the price on this index, right? So on a lower time frame, the 5 minute time frame, I was trying to catch the reversal, like catching the bottoms of the market. There's what we call catching the tops and the bottoms of the market. So this is like the top here of these cells we got here, and this is the bottom of the buys we are getting at this point. So I was able to catch the buys from the lowest lows, right, at this zone. So how did I know? It takes a lot basically to be able to identify where price could potentially reverse from, to be able to spot that structure which price could give the buys or the sells from that point basically. So on the 5 minute time frame, I was able to spot these usually I identify the previous trend on a lower time frame, right, which was markets being on a downtrend, would say a little descending channel we got here. So on spotting this, I saw that there was a break of structure here. There was a break of structure at this point. Got the highest height of this index here. Got the highest height at this point. Let's spot it at this zone. The highest highs was at this point. So we got a break of structure here basically. Price broke out of this highest highs we got here. Sorry, this chart can't go. Okay, let me push this up. Okay, we got the break of these highest highs here. We got price take out these highest highs, and these lows got swept off. These lows basically, this was the lowest lows, the first low. This was like the highs, the first high and the first low, like the new swing highs of this index. So I waited for price to do what? Sweep out these lows, like give a little break below it, a break and close below it, and for price to break above these highs, right, to break this structure, this bearish structure, right, turning this market to bullish market. So on spotting this formation, I got what I was expecting on this market. So at this point I got my entries. I think on the 1 minute time frame I got my entries here. I got my entries at this point, at this zone basically, at this point, because when I spotted the swing highs and the swing lows, which is actually at this point, the swing highs here and the swing lows at this point, swing lows at this point basically, sorry, swing lows at this point, right, and I waited for price to break this structure, like price breaking and closing above these highs, then these lows basically being taken out. I brought up my Fibonacci 2, because after getting the break of these highs, market was to sell, to retrace back inside of this zone. And how I was able to spot my level was, my buy point was like, I brought up my Fibonacci 2, matched it up from the swing lows to the swing highs, the new swing lows and the new swing highs. These highs that price formed newly, these highs that took out these previous highs out, and these lows that swept out these lows, like I matched it up from the swing lows to the swing highs. So my buy point basically was in the middle, which is at the 50.0 Fibonacci retracement level here. Okay, let me color this, make it so I can be more specific, make it green. Right, so it's on this 50.0 Fibonacci. You can see it here, 50.0 Fibonacci retracement point, which was my buy point. So it was here I took my buys, though I got little retracement. Let me clear this thing. I got price retrace a little bit to the downside here before giving the buy move. So my stop loss was below this structure. I remember this is a lower time frame formation, so my stop loss was very small, regardless of having it appear big. I had my SL at this point, which was about $2 risk on the minimum lot size of 0.5 on VIX 10 index. So that's where I had my SL at. SL here, my entry at this point. So price gave this on my buy on the 50.0 Fibonacci retracement level. Price gave this little move here. These little cells pushed up a little bit, gave the retest here, and we got the good buy. So I've been holding this buy since morning. This past 10 a.m. West African time, and I got these entries around 7 a.m. right. So I've held these buys for 3 hours right now, 2 to 3 hours, and I'm still expecting more buys on this index basically. So on price giving the good buy move, I moved my stop loss above my entry, and I'm still expecting more buys basically, right? I'm still expecting more buys on this index in the coming hours and days. So that's how I take the buy trade on VIX 10 index using a different market approach, still on price action. And my first TP has been smashed, which I held at this point, which I placed here. I've got my first TP smashed, and I've also closed out on some positions, moved my stop loss above my entry. Very much safe in this trade. So we could get little retracement here on the 5-minute time frame. Could see price retrace a little bit to this point because we got another break of structure. We had another break of structure here. This highs again, this new highs has been taken out. Let me make it black. Right. Sorry. This new highs again has been taken out. This new highs we got here, previous highs has been taken out. So there was a break of structure here. So if price can retrace back inside of this zone, we could be getting more buys. I'm bringing up the Fibonacci 2 again. Our Fibonacci 2 from the swing lows here to the swing highs. Where's our 50.0 level? I think it's actually here. 50.0 level at this point is at this zone, and there's a bullish order block here too, which we have to watch closely on. So this would be our possible next buy zone on this index. All right, this index is turning bullish. We could get more buys on VIX 10 index. We could get more bullish reversal on this index in the coming hours and days. All right, let's expect VIX 10 index to buy to this point because we have an interesting formation here which we have to pay attention to. So let's expect this index to buy to this zone. So that's it, guys. That's how I take the buy trade on VIX 10 index. So for more educative content like this and trade review, do it to smash the like button and drop a comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.